Hello flowers, it's Si here from Si Moto Photo. Welcome back to the channel. I've got another wee unboxing video for you guys. I know you like your unboxing videos. Today we're welcoming some all new Scrambler 1200s to the showroom. We've got a 1200X and two 1200XCs arriving today. So I'm going to take you around the back and let you see us unboxing these new models. Let you see how they're packed, how we undress them, get them ready for the workshop to PDI them and then get them in the shop for sale. One of the bikes is actually sold, so Stacey, if you're watching, we're going to unpack your bike. Thanks to everyone so far for all the likes, subscribes, interactions with the videos on the channel. It means the world. Thanks so much. If you like this video and you like Triumph content, Harley content and a little bit of Honda Monkey content, please subscribe, like the video, you know what to do. Come on, we'll do the unboxing. We've got some... Oh, how you doing, mate? We've got some fancy new bikes coming in here. So we've been waiting on these coming for quite a while actually. One of them sold, but we've been waiting on these bikes coming. A bit of a change from the old model. So let you see the differences between these ones and the new ones, or the old ones even. You cold, Andy?
Fresh. Bracing, I think it's called.
Bracing?
Character building, as you say in the mountain bike world.
So tell us, as a Scrambler fan, what do you like about a new Scrambler, Andy?
I prefer the height of it actually. I like the fact it's not this big hulking great bike. I like the fact it's lower. And Marzocchi suspension.
Talking about YouTube legends, here he comes. Say hello to the YouTube community, William.
Hello YouTube community.
Can't even pronounce that, is it?
There's a question I get asked all the time for the folk on YouTube. Why does Si think he's Steven Spielberg? That's because he's not got the face for the camera.
That's what I love about you, William.
What, none?
Nothing!
Have you seen the hat he's wearing? Trust me.
Oh, there he is! Ed Thomas! As the team gathers outside for 3 new Scrambler models, 1200 Scrambler models. One of them is a soul bike of yours, I believe.
Stacey.
Stacey. So Stacey, if you're watching, we're going to unpack your bike and let you see what it looks like when it comes right off the crate from Triumph. Andy's unloosening the back straps first on the bike. You get your box at the front with all your bits and pieces in it, so you've got your little parts and things for your PDI. They're well boxed up. Oh, what colour is it? Oh,
That's it.
Right, hang file because we'll do a tank review, right? That's all your document folder that Willie's got there as well. Goes along with your PDI pack. New Scrambler 1200X model.
Customer's bike.
Customer's bike. It's a Stacey's bike.
Yeah.
Stacey, your new bike. How cool does that look? Wait till we do a tank review. Leave that tank review to last. So they tape up the levers and they connect the strap round to hold the brake clutch lever tight on. And Andy's going to detach this side, and when he does that, the bike will swing over towards William, which is why William is standing holding the bike up.
Right,
Go for it. Because there's quite a bit of tension put on these with the taller suspension on them. So there's a wee bit of a swing towards Willie holding that bike up. Give you this and brakes at the front. It's a painted mudguard on the front as well. Your Highline exhaust, painted rear fender. It's got a painted rear fender on it.
Yeah.
All good, all good. Right, William, once you're ready, do a tank review. On the count of 3, right? 1, 2, 3. Sandy, you've just recently pulled the trigger on a Scrambler.
Yep.
What is it you like about Scramblers?
They look cool, there's no getting away from it, but they're perfect for Scottish roads.
Aye.
A wee bit more give, slightly higher seating position, slightly more suitable tyres, and the Scrambler tunes just that sweet spot of grunt and power.
Aye.
And like I said before, they look wicked.
But this is their all new 1200, and if I'm not mistaken, that looks like my favourite colour.
XE, sorry.
So this is our XE model.
Yeah.
1200 XE.
Oh,
Tank review last, that looks funky already. And this is Andy's tense face. This is Wally's concentration face, by the way. Talking about internet legends. Here comes the internet legend.
Get it all stripped and lubricated and it'll all be good to go, man!
Right, here we go. The new Scrambler 1200 XE. Gold forts, Marzocchi forts. Brembo Stylema calipers on it now. William's going to do a tank review in the sun. one, folks. We've got another few new models dropping with us in the next few weeks, so I'll keep you posted with all the new models that drop in. We'll do some unboxing of them, and as soon as we get them on the road, we'll do a first ride review on them. So we've got about 4 new models due to arrive, probably in the next 4 to 5 weeks. So if you like the content, you've enjoyed the video, please give it a like, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for tuning in to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take it easy, man.